Question 1. Who is the current Chief Minister of Delhi? A. Arvind Kejriwal. B. Atishi Malina. C. Rekha Gupta. D. Draupadi Murmu. Correct answer option C. Rekha Gupta. Question 2. Which is the largest country in South America? A. Argentina. B. Brazil. C. Colombia. D. Peru. Correct answer option B. Brazil. Question 3. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. Australia. D. Europe. Correct answer option B. Africa. Question 4. Which of the following is known as the Diamond City of India? A. Surat. B. Jaipur. C. Agra. D. Indore. Correct answer option A. Surat. Question 5. Which state does not share its boundary with Myanmar? A. Mizoram. B. Sikkim. C. Manipur. D. Nagaland. Correct answer option B. Sikkim. Question 6. In which Indian state is the Flamingo Festival celebrated? A. Rajasthan. B. Assam. C. Manipur. D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer option D. Andhra Pradesh. Question 7. Who was the first Home Minister of India? A. Lal Bahadur Shastri. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Indira Gandhi. Correct answer option B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question 8. When is World Population Day celebrated? A. The 1st of January. B. The 11th of July. C. The 20th of August. D. The 31st of December. Correct answer option B. The 11th of July. Question 9. Whose birthday celebrated as the National Sports Day in India? A. Sachin Tendulkar. B. Milkha Singh. C. Major Dhyan Chand. D. Sunil Chhetri. Correct answer option C. Major Dhyan Chand.
Question 10. Who was the first person to reach the moon? A. Kalpana Chawla. B. Rakesh Sharma. C. Neil Armstrong. D. Sunita Williams. Correct answer option C. Neil Armstrong. Quiz challenge for you. Which continent has the most countries? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. Australia. D. Europe. Comment down your answer and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Question 11. When is the longest day of the year? A. The 22nd of April. B. The 21st of June. C. The 22nd of June. D. The 22nd of March. Correct answer option B. The 21st of June. Question 12. Who is the longest serving Prime Minister of India? A. Narendra Modi. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Manmohan Singh. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer option D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 13. Which is the largest city in India by area? A. Delhi. B. Bengaluru. C. Hyderabad. D. Mumbai. Correct answer option A. Delhi. Question 14. Which is the highest literacy state in India 2025? A. Sikkim. B. Mizoram. C. Goa. D. Tripura. Correct answer option B. Mizoram. Question 15. Who was the Prime Minister of India before Narendra Modi? A. Rajnath Singh. B. Manmohan Singh. C. Ramnath Kovind. D. APJ Abdul Kalam. Correct answer option B. Manmohan Singh. Question 16. Who was the first Vice President of India? A. Rajendra Prasad. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Correct answer option D. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Question 17. When is Hindi Day celebrated in India? A. The 10th of August. B. The 14th of September. C. The 24th of October. D. The 7th of November. Correct answer option B. The 14th of September. Question 18. How many continents are there in the world? A. 5 continents. B. 6 continents. C. 7 continents. D. 8 continents. Correct answer option C. 7 continents. Question 19. Which is the largest continent in the world? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. Europe. D. Australia. Correct answer option A. Asia. Question 20. Who was the first president of India? A. Lal Bahadur Shastri. B. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. C. Rajendra Prasad. D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Correct answer option C. Rajendra Prasad. Quiz challenge for you. Which Indian state has the largest coastline? A. Orissa. B. Maharashtra. C. Gujarat. D. Kerala. Comment down your answer and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.